Hey guys, this is Upesh from Beebom.com, and this right here is the new ASUS ZenBook Flip S. And this is a super cool laptop. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking this is it's a convertible, so I'm saying it's a super cool laptop, but that's not really the case. Actually, the ZenBook Flip S is a super cool laptop because it brings the cutting edge. And there are two aspects to that: the 4K OLED display and the latest 11th gen Intel CPUs. So yeah, there's a lot to talk about, and I'll suggest you to stick till the end because there's a lot of cool things to talk about in this laptop. Let's begin. Okay, so I'm going to start with the design because it's the ZenBook Flip S, and the convertible 2-in-1 design is one of the big factors in this laptop. Anyway, first up, it's pretty clear that this new ZenBook Flip S is a premium looking and premium feeling laptop. It has a typical ASUS high-end design with the concentric circle design on the lid, the cool jade black finish, and the diamond cut red copper highlights all around, and I think it looks fantastic. Another good thing about the ZenBook Flip S is the really compact design. Just look at how small this laptop actually is. It's a great form factor and it's super portable, which is very important in a versatile laptop like this one. Plus, it's very sleek. It has a thickness of around 13 millimeters and it just weighs around 1.2 kgs, which is awesome really. Now let me just open up the lid and show you the display, which is honestly one of my favorite things about this laptop. Okay, so just look at this. This is a 13.3-inch 4K OLED touchscreen, and trust me, it's beautiful. This is a screen that looks amazing and I've been going gaga over it ever since I turned it on. It's a 16:10 display that's slightly taller, and I think that helps too in day-to-day tasks. Anyway, coming to the display quality, the display here is super crisp, looks amazing, especially when there's blacks on the display, and things like brightness and viewing angles are very good. Plus, what I really like is that the display is very color accurate with a wide 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, which is important for all the use cases the ZenBook Flip S can be used for. You know what, that brings me to the convertible design of this laptop, and the ZenBook Flip S comes with what ASUS calls the 360-degree ergo lift hinge design. And as the name suggests, you can actually go ahead and flip the laptop 360 degrees like this. And I like the hinge here. It seems very solid and reliable because there's no flex. So that's nice. Now this design means you can use this laptop in 3 modes. The usual laptop mode, which is great if you're working and you need the keyboard, the touchpad, etc. Pretty standard. The second mode you can actually use this laptop in is the tablet mode. So you can just flip the laptop like this, and you get this beautiful display in the tablet mode. Now you can use it like this or you can use it like this. Either ways, it just works. Plus the 4K display here is a touchscreen like I said, and it's very responsive. So using the laptop in tablet mode is a pleasure. There's also Windows ink and support for the new ASUS Pen Active Stylus, which we did not get in the review unit, but ASUS will probably bundle in the box, although they'll confirm that during the India launch. So anyway, you'll be able to just install the Windows Whiteboard app and draw things or jot down notes or just get creative. Now, third mode is kind of fun, the tent mode, which is something I think college students will find very handy. I mean, you can just set up the Flip S like this and enjoy your movies and shows pretty easily. I mean, HDR content on this 4K panel looks beautiful, and that's honestly pretty awesome. As for the speakers, there are dual speakers here that are Harman Kardon certified, and they aren't very loud, but the clarity is pretty good. So the design and display look great on the ZenBook Flip S, but the specs are really interesting here. So the ZenBook Flip S comes with the new 11th gen Intel Tiger Lake Core i7 processor with the new Intel Iris Xe graphics, along with fast PCI 3 Gen 4 SSDs, LPDDR4X RAM, and Wi-Fi 6 support. These are some top-of-the-line specs. Now the new Tiger Lake chipset is obviously the highlight here, but at the time of shooting this video, a lot of details are unknown, and honestly, I really want to know how the new Intel chipsets compare against the competition. Anyway, as far as I know, the new Intel chipsets will be based on the new 10nm architecture. They'll have faster clock speeds while being more power efficient, and they'll have better graphics. Don't worry, I'll leave a link to all of the details about the Intel CPU as we know. Overall, I think the cutting-edge Intel chipset should make the ZenBook Flip S a capable machine. I mean, I generally don't use my laptop for a lot of intensive tasks, and I've only had the Flip S for a couple of days, but I did try out Photoshop and it was super smooth. So yeah, I am very positive around the performance. Now, thanks to the latest Intel chipset on board, there's also the new super fast Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, which are also used for charging. Apart from that, there's also the HDMI port, and on the left, you get the power button and a USB-A port. There's no headphone jack here, but ASUS will be bundling a high quality dongle in the box, so there's that. Anyway, I also like the whole keyboard and touchpad experience here. This is an edge-to-edge keyboard here, and the typing experience is something I like on the laptop, and that's because the layout is good enough and the keys have a decent 1.4mm travel. These keys are also backlit, so that's covered. The touchpad seems pretty good too. It supports Windows Precision drivers and it's fairly responsive and fluid. Plus, since this is ASUS's number pad 2.0, you can just enable this to get all the numbers and then use it anywhere, be it the calculator app or anywhere else. Lastly, when it comes to the battery, the ZenBook Flip S comes with a 67 Wh battery with a 65 Watt USB PD charger in the box. Now, previous ZenBook Flips have been criticized for their average battery performance, but I don't think that's going to be the case with the new ZenBook Flip S, because obviously there's the new Intel chipsets which are supposed to be more power efficient. There's the OLED display, and ASUS is claiming up to 15 hours of battery life on this laptop. So all of that sounds really promising. Well, as for the charging, the 65 Watt charger takes the laptop to around 60% in just 50 minutes, so that's fast. Well, to conclude things, the new ASUS ZenBook Flip S is a laptop that I thoroughly enjoyed using, and that's because every aspect of this laptop brings kind of something new. So the design here is fantastic, with the laptop being super portable while featuring the convertible design. The OLED 4K display is just amazing to look at. The battery life seems very promising, and the new 11th gen Intel CPU means that it's going to have the latest cutting edge performance. So yeah, I'm excited about the ZenBook Flip S, but yeah, at the time of shooting this video, we don't know the price, and honestly, I want to know more about the new Intel chipset, so let's wait for that. Anyway, I'd love to know your opinion on the new ZenBook Flip S and obviously the new Intel CPUs. Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, that's me signing off. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.